mom. This is my empty house tour. I'm very excited for you guys to be seeing this. So yeah, we're gonna be moving everything in today, but nothing is in there at the moment. So let me just walk you through the empty house tour. So this is the living room, and there's a bar. It goes into the kitchen. The previous owner switched out these lights. They were like a glass light to begin with, but now they're like an industrial black, which is super, super cute. It's not the biggest living room in the world, but it'll get the job done. Come on, mother. Oh, and my mom is behind the camera filming me. So, and this is the kitchen. I'm so obsessed with all of the light fixtures in the house. This is like super modern, and I just love the glass, and I love the light bulbs. You see how the light bulbs have those like the things in them? You can see the things, Mom?
Yes, ma'am.
I love that about it. And I'm so excited about this. My pantry rolls out, which is so cool. I've never had that before. And the cabinets are soft close, which is awesome. I like the dark cabinets and the silver hardware that's on them. And our stove is gas, which Neil's really excited about more than me because he cooks. But yeah, he's really super excited about that. And I like the white appliances with the dark. Don't you think?
Yes, ma'am.
We're gonna go outside really quick because I want you to show you the back deck, and then we'll come back in. Come on. So this is our back deck. I'm so freaking excited to do all of our cookouts and parties, and this is like the ultimate hosting house, and I am the hostess with the mostest. So yeah, I'm really excited to be having parties and get-togethers and cookouts and stuff out here. I cannot wait. And it's about that time. It's gonna be getting warmer out. The time has already changed, so that's good. And we have a garage. It is a garage. It's a detached garage, but we're not going to use it as a garage. We're just going to use it as like storage. We're not going to like park in it or anything. And Charlie has a really big doggy door, so she's going to be super happy about that. And it's electric, so nobody can get in unless they have a thing on their collar. So yeah, this is the washing machine and dryer. Thankfully, they left this when they moved. So we're gonna either sell ours or keep it or do something like that. But yeah, this came with it, which is super awesome. I'm really glad that it came with the washing machine and dryer because they're super pretty. Oh, and they left the stools, which are not that bad actually. I thought I wasn't gonna like these very much, but they're not bad. And then yeah, they left this clock, which I will probably replace with something else just because this just isn't my style. But yeah, it was super nice of them to leave it. So if you come out of the kitchen, you come into the bathroom, and this is probably one of my favorite spots because we have 2 shower heads. It's so cool. So I've never had that before. There is no bathtub, as you can see. So I did take my last bath last night. But the 2 shower heads is just so freaking cool. And I love how everything is like, the floors are like a gray-white. The walls are like a grayish blue, like everything is just so like cool toned, and that's just a vibe. So I'm really glad that the bathroom is like super new and modern looking like this because I like it a lot. Also, we have so many smart house
Smart features.
Smart features. We have so many, thanks Mom. We have so many smart features in the house. So this is like our thermostat, the Nest. We have a Nest lock on the door. Like I said, Charlie's dog door is electric. We have security cameras everywhere. Our lights are smart. So yeah, we're just living in a smart house. This is going to be our bedroom. This isn't the biggest room in the house, but you know that's going to be my beauty room. So yeah, this is going to be our bedroom, and plus it's in the back of the house, in the backyard. So that's just, we would prefer it to not be at the front of the house. Come this way. We're back into the living room now. And this is the other bedroom, so it's 3 bedrooms. This is going to be like Neil's room. It's going to be like his workout room. Like we'll have a bed in here for like guests and stuff when they stay. And the closets are just little closets like that. His is actually bigger than mine, which is fine. But yeah, and all of the Floors in the house are hardwood, which is awesome. And then one last thing to show you is the beauty room. So you guys are going to be seeing a lot more of this room than you probably will any other part of the house. Yeah, so all of the walls are this like really pretty white, grayish, bluish color, which I absolutely love. I like warm tone things like furniture, but like when it comes to like paint on the walls, I don't like anything that leans toward like a yellowy, like warm color. So that's really exciting. And I'll take you outside to show you the front porch really quick too, because I haven't shown you that yet. This is also the lock on our door. If our phone gets like a certain distance away from it, it will automatically unlock for us, which is really cool. Hey guys, so I am gonna end the video here. I did film I did end my house tour video, but I did it outside on my front porch. And sorry if there's an echo. In here, I'm still finishing my beauty room, and this is just the spot that I have like set up so far, because this is where I'm going to be filming all of my videos and stuff. So I did end the video, and I did end it on my front porch outside. And then I thought about it, and I just don't know if I want YouTube and like the world and people and stuff to know like what the outside of my house looks like. Like I know that I'm not like super big, and I know that people probably won't like stalk me and stuff like that, or like try to break in, but you can just never be too safe. So I do apologize for ending the video this way. I did show you everything in the video except for obviously the front porch, and that's like where I ended the video and said thank you guys so much for watching and all that jazz. So as you can tell, I was not expecting to get on camera today. But I was editing, and I just like didn't feel comfortable doing that. So this is me ending the video. So yeah, I really hope that you guys enjoyed my empty house tour. I'm so sorry that I didn't film any of the like moving vlogs. Like I didn't film like us bringing anything into the house or like decorating any. I think I mentioned that in my empty house tour that I was going to try and or like I was going to be filming like moving vlogs and all that good stuff, but I ended up not being able to do that just because there was a lot going on with COVID, and yeah, we were just like trying to get things in as quick as possible just in case there was a mandatory lockdown. We didn't really know what was going to happen in that moment, so I do apologize for that. But I will be doing like house tours, and I definitely want to do, it's Charlie, I definitely want to do a beauty room tour, obviously, because that is where you guys will be seeing me the most. And we did end up like flip-flopping a couple of the rooms around. So we did end up flipping a couple of the rooms around. So in the empty house tour, you will see that I say like, oh, this is going to be my beauty room, and this is going to be our bedroom. And so we did end up flip-flopping a couple of the rooms around. So yeah, I really want to be able to show you guys different parts of my home because I love to decorate. Interior design is like one of my favorite things aside from makeup. Like I literally love interior design. So with that being said, yeah, so I will be doing a couple more of those videos really soon. So also I do have like an update video, like a life update video, like catch up with me, just because I haven't been on YouTube for so long. So I will be doing one of those, and let me tell you, I got a lot to talk about. So yeah, I just want to say thank you guys so much for all the people that still support me, even though I've been like so absent on YouTube for a very long time. People still watch my videos, they still comment like, please do another one of these videos, like please, you know, do a makeup tutorial, or like do a updated what's in my bag video. And like I get messages all the time with you guys telling me that you like miss me and want me to do more videos. So I really do appreciate it. I promise that does not go unnoticed. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed my little empty house tour. I'm so in love with it so far, and I just feel like there's going to be good things that happen in this house and, you know, in the next year to come after all of this nonsense is over. So yeah, I really hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know what you guys want to see down below, and I will see all of you in my next video. Bye.